The bearings on this fan sound terrible. This fan's been running for a long time now. It has not yet stopped running. It has not yet started squealing as if it ran out of oil. But the bearings, you can tell the bearings sound bad. It's still going. Like for instance, when I turn it off and turn it on, it just sounds awful. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it back on so y'all can hear what it sounds like. Here we go. Yeah, that sounds pretty bad right there. That's not a good spin down. You can tell the bearings are dry. They just haven't started squealing yet. And you can tell it's struggling to spin. So that's not good. I'm going to try to get my nephew over here to give it oil again. But that's about it. So it's still going for now. It hasn't totally stopped running yet. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. About the Fan Man. More to come soon. Subscribe to the channel and out.